same porn site every day. We never think about the same woman every day. Once you have got no wife or no husband. Now, what do we see here? People seek desire for your own self. But these criminals don't care whether they should take from who or whoever. They could just like fly over to another country and have another raping and then fly over to another country. Now, would this law apply to every country? Or would you eventually take care of the problem once and for all, ladies and gentlemen? Now, from what they are saying, they said that if they care about their future, they wouldn't have been in jail again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if they actually care about the future, just like my second speaker said, they wouldn't have attempted rape. And then after the first raping, they would eventually drop their future and tend to continuously do it again. Because they think that they have no future left. And they have to live in jail. And by all means, they would not have any hope in doing other things. So they would just tend to continue to do it. Maybe they would have been living in jail for 30 years because they think that my life is just only sex, ladies and gentlemen. Now, and like my second speaker said, 10 years in jail and you all see men around walking. And what do they think on the first place? You think about ladies that you have been missing for a long time, ladies and gentlemen. And with guys around, and with all those people who miss the woman, they would eventually think of a plan to do a group raping, ladies and gentlemen. So, are you actually going to keep them all inside together for 10 years? So that they could eventually come in a group for like 100 years to have a group raping? No, ladies and gentlemen. Now, and eventually, how are you going to spread this message around when these people tend to stick with their group and they just communicate along with their group while they are not trying to do the public thing? Because after you have been in jail, your name has been proposed that you have committed crime. You eventually cannot communicate with other people with trust. So they eventually wouldn't think that your message is going to be 100% true. So by eventually you do the castration, you eventually make them suffer from, and that you increase their sex raping desire to zero. And by all that means, this person can tell the other people that please don't do it or you will get your genitals cut off like me. And they eventually say that criminals can do what they wish. They can have their choice. But ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about criminals. We are talking about innocent women who have been raped. Now, are you going to leave them a choice for the criminals who have hurt the innocent people who have actually no choice in rejecting, ladies and gentlemen? And they're just saying that our castration is so mean, ladies and gentlemen, without reasons to support this mean word, ladies and gentlemen. While we provide you the harm of the men grouping together and the men going to rape another girl in the 10 years of desire, while we stand here and we say that castration will solve the problem once and for all. And it will not cause any more problems because this person do not have and will not make their ability to have sex again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.